Let's see this. Find the volume and surface area of the cuboid with dimensions 8 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. So they are given that the dimensions are, you can assume that one is L, other is B, other is H. It is given, and now we are supposed to find out what is the volume and surface area. We know the formula of volume. Volume is L into B into H. So if you substitute it, 8 into 5 into 6. So now you are going to get 240 square cube centimeters. Sorry. So the units are going to be cube, and since they are given in centimeters, it is going to be cube centimeters. And next one is area. So surface area is asked. So surface area, as you know, we have to substitute in the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So this is the surface area. Now it is going to be 2 into 8 into 5 plus 5 into 6 plus 8 into 6. Right? You can substitute that and you can get the answer. And the next one is the volume of a wall. So they are saying that there is a wall. The volume of a wall 5 times as high as its breadth, which means they are talking about the the wall qualities. So one is height and other is breadth and other is length. So see this, how they are saying it is 5 times as high as its breadth, which means if you assume that the breadth is x meters, then they are saying that height is 5 times as high, which means it is 5 times the breadth, as high as its breadth, and 8 times as long as its height, which means if you see the length is going to be 8 times its height. So if I assume that height is 5x, therefore it is going to be 8 into 5x, so it is going to be 40x meters. So this is what is given. So length, breadth and height are not directly given, but they have given in terms of breadth. So I have used a variable x and I expressed all of this. And what is given is the volume is given. So volume, what is volume? L into B into H. So the product of these three numbers is given as 128 cube meters, right? So volume equal to L into B into H equal to 128 cubic meters. Then they are asking us to find out the breadth. So what is breadth? X, right? So breadth is x. Got it? Now x into 5x into 40x equal to 128 meter cube. So that implies x cube equal to 128 12.8 divided by 100, right? I think 200. So 5 into 4, right? Now you can write it as 6.4 divided by 100. I am cancelling off using 2's. This can be written as 64 divided by 1000. This can be written as 4 cube divided by 10 cube. Now x cube equal to 4 cube divided by 10 cube, therefore x is going to be 4 by 10. So it is going to be in meters because it is given in meters, right? So that is why it is going to be in meters. So 4 by 10 meters is nothing but 40 centimeters. Either you can write it as 0.4 meters or 40 centimeters, both are same. So that is the answer of it. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. after taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.